Essay on life in a big city. A large and important town is called a city. William Shakespeare says, "What is the city but the people?" Big cities are the center of attraction due to some reasons. In Margaret Mead's words, the city is a place where there is no need to wait for next week to get the answer to a question, to taste the food of any country, to find new voices to listen to and familiar ones to listen to again. Cities offer best standard of life. Medical facilities, education, transport, recreation and all the modern features of global world are at its peak in the cities. Large cities are the financial hub of the country. All the business activities which are directly linked to human life go on there at neck-break pace. People often shift to cities to avail the better opportunities of employment and education. They rush to big cities for better treatment. Then agricultural and human beauty that suits one's aesthetic sense is abundant in cities. There is no doubt that all such fascinations have great attraction for human nature, but cities are not devoid of disadvantages. There is a long list of problems which are the part and parcel of urban life. In big cities, people have to live in small and ill-ventilated houses. They have to breathe in polluted atmosphere. They have to travel by overcrowded buses, ignoring frail kids, pushing ladies, and arguing with the conductor. They have to pay the hefty fees of private schools for their children. Owing to the overflowing population of the cities, they have to wait in long queues for ordinary jobs. Traffic jams, the crowded shops, and specter of price rise leave them in a state of awe and confusion. The lush green fields, the vast meadows, the groves of trees, chirping birds and lovely landscapes are missing in the noisy atmosphere of city. Cities are mixed blessing. In advanced countries, now people prefer to live in small villages for their purity and simplicity. Then living in small places is cheap and affordable in every way. Today, cities have become overcrowded. The government should settle the ever-growing population of cities in new housing colonies systematically and conveniently. Old localities in new housing are not planned. If the preference is a healthy, pleasant and hassle-free life, then cities should be planned anew and much of the overburdened infrastructure must be shifted to the outskirts. Then we should develop the villages with our resources instead of living for humdrum life of cities. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel.